Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, see how to. Click on the subscribe button below and also click on the bell beside this. This will notify you once we drop a new video. Thank you.
Popular and most adored actor Odunlade Adekola, who is Abeokuta-based but hails from Otun Ekiti, Ekiti State. Odunlade, who is from Ile-Itunrin royal family in Otun Ekiti, has apparently been appointed as the new Oba of the town. He has been picked by his royal family to represent them. It's the turn of Odunlade family to deliver the following Oba of the town because it's reputational. The Imuya royal family has served their term as they produce the late Oba and is presently their turn. The 5 ruling houses in Otun Ekiti are Iyaba, Iletun, Imuya, Obajewu and Odoimu. The Imuya royal family delivered the late Oba Bukola. The ruler was a former chairman of the State Council of Obas between 2006 and 2008. One of the points of interest Odunlade has over other applicants is his closeness to the governor of the state. He is likewise a major star. He picked up fame with his lead role in the Shola Jai's 2003 film Ashiri Gomina and has acted in numerous Nollywood movies from that point forward. He is the CEO of Odunlade Adekola Film Production. The avoidable question is, will he surrender acting and his big endorsement to become Oba?
Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button. Kindly comment and share. Thanks.